How to enable dark mode in YouTube. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your YouTube application. Then, from your bottom right corner, tap on your profile icon. After that, tap on the settings gear icon from your top right corner. Now scroll down, then go to general. Then go to appearance. Now, if you want to use dark theme for YouTube only, even though you have light theme on your entire device, simply choose dark theme. But if you want to make it suitable or make it synced with your device, simply select use device theme and you will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.